isn't a restart, it's a rebuild. I'm not here to pitch hype. I'm here to reconstruct trust. After trying everything, funnels, launches, gurus, I hit 0. And that's where this starts. Today I'm walking you through the Home Business Academy home-based business program, rebuilding from 0 with 80% residuals plus real mentorship. Not to impress you, to show you what real building actually looks like. So I haven't earned yet, not because I'm not working, but because I'm rebuilding from 0 with a system that finally makes sense. This compound gives me 80% residuals. You heard me right, 80% residuals. But more importantly, it's built on trust. I'm documenting how I was using a simple funnel, a bridge page, and daily list building to create traction. No pressure, no manipulation, just clarity. And if you've been burned before, I want you to see every step so you can rebuild faster with less friction. Give me just a moment. Alright, sorry. My mouse fell down. Okay. So quick question. What's your biggest frustration with online business right now? Drop it in the comments. I read every one. And here's the truth. This funnel isn't a flashy sports car. It's a reliable pickup truck. It hauls trust, not hype. It's not here to impress. It's here to deliver. Let's talk about the math. Because hype doesn't pay bills. Residuals do. The Home Business Academy comp plan is simple. The $25 product equals $20 a month per referral, month after month after month, okay? So as long as they stay in there, sorry I'm trying to get when I'm in the middle of the thing, but it doesn't seem to be working. So as long as they stay in there, you'll get paid month after month, okay? Then there's a $125 product, which is $100 a month. Again, you see the difference or the similarities? This 80% residual, okay? $500 product is $400 one time. That's 80% commissions. Again, clean, recurring, no ups. You're not decoding tiers. You're not chasing ranks. You're sharing tools that help people rebuild and getting paid for it. And here's the kicker. Every sale stacks. Every referral compounds. Because this isn't launch-based, it's leverage-based. Again, $25 a month pays $20 a month residually per person. $125 pays $100 a month. $500 is $400 one time. I'm rebuilding on platforms that compound. YouTube lets me show exactly how it works step by step. Google gives me search visibility, so every video stacks. I'm not chasing trends, I'm building traction. YouTube and Google are like compound interest for content. Every video is a deposit. Every search is a dividend. If you're rebuilding too, comment rebuild mode below. Let's build a community around clarity, not confusion. Now stick around to the end because I'll show you the exact funnel I'm using and the one mindset shift that finally made this rebuild stick. Because this isn't about tools, it's about transformation. If you ever felt like you were starting over for the 100th time, this is the rebuild that actually holds. So I want to show you that I'm actually using this system, okay? But first, before I do it, I want to show you all the content that's in here. This is the funnel builder training, okay? Does this look cookie cutter to you? It shows you exactly how to do each and everything. Okay, there's a welcome video, 9 minutes. There's an AI assistant, okay? Here's some done for you funnels, 3K per month, okay? And it shows you exactly how to set it up. Okay, set it up. And then again, questions, click here. Say, go here to set up your domain name. And there's three other funnels besides that, okay? Oh, wait, four other funnels besides that, okay? Funnel Builder Live Coaching. First Monday of each month, okay? The Funnel Builder Setup shows exactly what to do, okay? And again, they're not stuck to one system. Look at Aweber. get response, active campaign. Okay. You don't. This is not cookie cutter, and it's not one size fit all. Okay. Funnel builder start here. Okay. This is pretty cool. And again, if you get stuck, questions, click here. Okay, what to do first, okay? This is really powerful stuff, okay? Then tells you how to do exactly everything. Bind and integrate your custom domain, etc., etc., etc. A business email on your, how to set up a branded email address, okay? Really cool stuff, okay? So I want to show you that I actually build my system on this, okay? So if you click on right here, just get started, right? This is what you come to, right? Put in your first name and your best email here and say, yes, I want in. Heck yeah. 80% residuals, okay? And then that will take you to a page like this. I don't know if this is mine. This should be mine. It isn't. Give me a minute. Bear with me, guys. This is it. But look at the color scheme. This is similar, right? Similar to the thing. The wording is similar. Everything else. This is, you'll click this video, you get introduced to me, you'll get, and then an introduction to the next person that you will come across, right? So you're not just rebuilding. I don't want to show you that I'm actually using this system, right? So, right here. Okay. So you see how this says edit video? Okay, I'm going to show you something. Here's the video of mine, right? So I'm going to open link in a new tab. And I'll show you how to do this live. How easy it is, okay? Okay. So, then I'm going to share this video. It's my video. Why not? We're going to brand yourself, right? Copy. Make sure it's copied. I'll go to my funnel page. Okay, now I'm going to edit video. And watch this. And watch, the guy's pointing to the right, right? Now watch this. Different video. He's pointing to the left now. And this is about affiliate manner, okay? Another thing that's pretty cool, watch how easy I do. Change the title, okay? Boom. You make a new video. Let me get the whole thing. Okay. And this is live, guys. Not everything works perfectly, okay? I think I got too much stuff. So I'm going to do right here. Copy. But I'm showing you how simplistic it is. Powerful, but very easy to use, okay? But then there's videos on how to do everything exactly, okay? Boom. There's the new title. Okay? Matches. Congruency, right? Let me show you how many funnels I have built in this, okay? Those are all the affiliate manner. These are all the Simple Freedom Warriors funnels, okay? And here's the HBA. I obviously need to catch up. Like, I'll click on here. I'm discarding. I want to save the changes. They're examples for you. And see, here's another video, okay? So you're not just rebuilding a business, you're rebuilding belief. At every step you make compounds. Because this isn't about funnels, it's about freedom. You're not behind, you're just starting with clarity. And clarity compounds faster than chaos ever could. So here's the rebuild point. If you're ready to start generating 80% monthly residual commissions, if you want to rebuild with clarity, earn with transparency, and grow with purpose, then check out the funnel. Go to johnsolly.com/HBA/CP. The link will be in the description. First link. Every module is practical, every tool is plug and play, and the support feels like real mentorship. This isn't noise, it's architecture. And it's all inside the Home Business Academy, home-based business program. 80% residuals plus real mentorship. This is where traction gets restored. This is where trust gets rebuilt. This is JJ Sully, aka John Sully. I want to show you one more thing real quick before I go, guys. That this is real. We will help you. So you join our team. We're going to give you access to a system, okay, like this, okay, with all this training, okay, on how, because we're the best team, and we will help you learn attraction marketing, okay. I don't know why this color scheme does not work real good, so we'll try it right here, okay. Anyways, how to set up everything you need to get started. How to set up YouTube, how to set up Pinterest, how to set up a brand funnel, not as regular accounts. This is to market, okay, and make money, okay, with any system. This system will teach you how to build traffic leads and sales for any program. You heard me right. Any program, okay? You can be the badass affiliate you've always wanted to be with this system. You can build any system, okay? We'll teach you, and it's copy and paste simple, okay? And not only will you be trained step by step, but your people will be trained step by step. It's like the Clone Wars, okay? In the sequel, Star Wars origin trilogy, Episode 2, Attack of the Clones. Everybody's the same, okay? You'll learn, everybody will learn from you, and you will profit. You'll be able to build any single business with this. But why wouldn't you want to build it on HBA and make your own funnel and stand out and build your list? You ever hear the term that money is in the list? Okay? You got to build your list. You got to stand out. You got to have pages like this one. Okay? And this one. I think I just closed it. We'll try it again. Again, this is live. There we go. That's AM. Give me a second. Okay, but you get the picture, okay? It's a video with me. It has my phone number, okay? Okay, it has my email address, has my phone number, etc., etc., okay? This is JJ Sully, aka John Sully, aka, I want to show you one more thing. I'm sorry, I forgot. That we will actually put our money where our mouth is. You see, I'm not signed in right here, right? I'm going to show you how we rank. And I rank my first video, every single video, on the first page usually. And watch this. Affiliate Mentor, Greg Chambers, okay? You can see I'm not signed in, so this is real results, okay? Guess the number 1 videos, me, Make Money Online with JJ. Guess the number 2 video, Make Money Online with JJ. This doesn't count, it's sponsored, okay? This doesn't count, it's sponsored. Guess who's the number 3 video? I'm only going to name people on our team. Postcard Lifestyle, okay? So the first 4 out of 5. Here's another one by me. And here's a whole playlist by me, okay? Make Money On with JJ. Make Money On with JJ. Postcard Lifestyle. Postcard Lifestyle. Make Money On with JJ. You see in the pattern, Make Money On with JJ. Some of these are actually the affiliate mentor is the actual company account, right? Michael De La Cruz, another team member. We will dominate YouTube like Monopoly, okay? You want to get the search ranking people that people are ranking are looking up and dominate every single one. And look, this is not Affiliate Mentor Greg Chambers, Affiliate Mentor Review 2025. So the more videos you have, the more terms you'll rank for, okay? Affiliate Mentor Best Team Bonuses. Do you see Greg Chambers anywhere there? Here's another team member, Mr. Orange Dream. I believe Milton Chinsa is one too. Mr. Orange Dream. See? Make Money On with JJ. Postcard Lifestyle. We are dominant. We got about 80-90% of the number of the videos, okay? Okay, this is JJ Solid, aka John Solid, aka your friendly neighborhood Solid Man. Don't delay, get with JJ today, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Get started and take action. That's the most important thing.